Hey y'all. Oh my gosh, my hair looks like what is it? Stew off of Rugrats right now. But I just went to my bank and got my check for first month's rent of the salon suite because I don't have checks. I guess I should get checks just in case for my business. But yeah, got that done and out the way. So hopefully after my clients today, I can go ahead and drop this off to the owner of the salon suites. Just have that out the way because I do not like owing people money. Like I like to pay my bills like so that it's off my mind and that nobody's asking me about anything. So yeah, I'm just ready to drop this off, even though I'm not moving in just yet. I don't move in until next week. Next Friday is my move-in date. So yeah, but I just want to go ahead and have this out the way because she said that I can go ahead and start moving my stuff in as long as she's there, and then I'll get my keys next week for my move-in date. So it's like I wouldn't feel right moving my stuff in if I didn't already pay. So I'm just going to go ahead and pay what I gotta pay and get that out the way just so that I can move on with my life and not have to worry about having to pay someone. A nice thing is that I paid a deposit to hold the room, and so like for this first month's rent, and because I'm not moving in like the first of the month because of the deposit, it's like it's not that much for this month's rent in my head because it's like already my deposit went towards this rent. So yeah, I'm excited, a little nervous. I keep saying that over and over, but I'm so happy this is happening because now I can do the other things that I wanted to do and all that. And this person next to me is driving neck and neck with me, and I hate that. Like, don't y'all hate when someone wants to drive like right next to you, like their window is next to like up to your window? Like either speed up or slow down. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. I am recording on my phone right now because I went to go grab my camera and it's not even charged. But I know I said that I would not be wearing a head wrap, but I did not wear my bonnet last night, so this is where we're at. Anyways, today is move-in day. Actually, yesterday was technically, my hands look purple. Yesterday was technically like the official move-in day, but I had a client yesterday and I have a client today, so I'm just taking them from home until I move all the way in. Yes. Until I move all the way into the studio. So I was very last minute on getting a mover. So Thumbtack, if you've never tried Thumbtack, definitely try them. Not sponsored, but I hired a personal chef through there, and last night I just hired a movers from there. Anyway, so I have movers coming today at 1 o'clock, so that gives me enough time after my client today, well this morning, to clear everything out of here and be ready for the movers. Grayson, you look crusty.
No.
Get everything for for the movers ready once they get here. So what I'm thinking about doing is, and luckily because it was so last minute, they're gonna come. I'm so happy. I chose the person that I thought the price was best. I never had to hire movers before. So yeah, it is kind of expensive, but once you think about it, I don't know. Once you think about like, okay, 2 movers, how many hours, like it makes sense. And they were the best option to go with. So once I'm done with my client, I'm going to clear out my dressers, my IKEA dressers, so that those are ready for them to pick up. I was only going to have them pick up like the heavy stuff, and then I would do the rest from my car. But I thought about it, if I'm going to be paying all that money, they're gonna grab everything that I can think of. So I'm just going to, let me flip the camera around. All right, back to what I was saying. These 2 drawers I'm going to empty out after my client leaves, and just so that everything is ready when they get here. And I was gonna take these floating shelves with me, but I'm not even sure like how I'm going to arrange everything, so I don't even wanna bring those. And yeah, I'm just not sure exactly how I'm even going to arrange that new studio for sure right now. I'm going to take all the products off, and I think I'm going to transport the skincare products myself. I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. But the skincare products I'm going to take down and put them in boxes. Luckily, last weekend I ordered from Sam's Club, and you know those boxes that they put stuff in. I have some of those, so I can put them in there. The XO luxury products, I'm not worried about bringing those right now. Maybe I'll bring this later. Of course, the treatment table, I was gonna bring that myself at first, but because of how much I'm paying, I'm going to let them take that. The chair, of course, any of my carts, anything on here, I'm pretty much gonna take. I'm not taking this table with me, that's going to stay here. The treasure chest, I'm thinking about taking, I think I'll take the treasure chest with me. And the room divider, I'm going to take with me. I'm not sure if I was able to show you in the last video, but the door is like a glass sliding door that people can look in. And if I plan on filming videos in there or whatever the case may be, and I don't want anybody to be able to see through, then I feel like the room divider will be nice. I was gonna transport that myself, but I don't want to have to worry about that. So I don't even know if that's gonna fit in my car. So yeah, I am excited. They just texted me to confirm 1 p.m. and I'm so happy. And I'm just like hoping today goes the way I plan it to, or even better. I'm hoping these dressers fit through the actual door of the building just fine with no problems. I want a smooth delivery. This is what I'm nervous about right now, is like if everything's gonna fit and this delivery. And yeah, that's what I'm nervous about right now. Everything else, like I was nervous about getting a salon suite and stuff, but now it's the wondering if all my stuff is gonna fit nicely and aesthetically pleasing. But yeah, once I'm done with my client, I'm going to go get me my usual iced coffee, and I am going to start undoing everything, and I'm going to put everything that they need to pack in one side of the room, and then bring in, this part doesn't have anything to do with being an esthetician or whatever, but this space is going to be like my office. Right now my office is outside of this room, so I'm going to bring all that stuff in here because it's kind of an eyesore. It gets messy with all the paperwork and stuff, and I just want to make sure that once my husband gets home from where he's at, that like everything is clear and it doesn't look too much of a mess, because right now this house is a hot mess. So yeah, I kind of wish, I'm grateful that I have a client today, but I kind of wish like I didn't have a client, because I could really just be getting everything ready right now, instead of waiting for my client to get here and then having to do it. But I'm grateful for every client that I have. It's just, I wish I had more time, I guess. I don't know.